anybody to just so don't think that it's a monologue that I'm going to give and you're just going to listen. I'm not that kind of a trainer. It's a lot of interaction. It's a lot of talking. It's a lot of getting from you. Otherwise, the training goes flat. Okay, it's great. So before we start, let's stretch. Okay, सुबह से मैं काफी सारा काम कर रही हूँ. Stretching का मेरे को time बिल्कुल नहीं मिला है. Now, all of you who are lounging, who are relaxing, who are sleeping, please get up, sit straight on the straight wherever you are sitting. You're sitting on the floor, chair, bed, sofa, table, kahin bhi baithe ho, sit straight. Just back, keep your back straight. Okay, so how do we make our back straight? We don't make our back straight like we are sitting like this and we do straight. No, we make our back straight by a process which I will tell you. And every single time you do this process, you become more mindful of your presence. आप ज्यादा अवेयर हो जाते हैं कि आप है कहाँ पे, आप क्या कर रहे हैं. एंड ये बहुत जरूरी है कि अवेयरनेस, माइंडफुलनेस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर ऑन द वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड, स्पेशली लाइक दिस, जहां हम एक छोटे से विंडो के थ्रू हम एक दूसरे को देखते हैं और एक दूसरे का जेस्चर करते हैं. ठीक है. So how do we sit? So we just, if you are slouching, if you are sleeping, if you are falling down, then just get up. Okay, now hold your shoulders with 2 fingers. Just hold your shoulders and roll your shoulders. Roll it. Yeah, roll your shoulders and put it below your ears. So this is my ear. It should not go back. It should not be in the front. It should be just below my ears. Okay? So now when you do this activity once, and then twice, automatically आप देखेंगे कि आपकी spine सीधी हो गई है. आप ये roll down ऐसे कर ही नहीं सकते. Okay, you can't do it because automatically it will push your back to become straight, and that is the posture that I would require you all to be throughout. कहीं पे भी पूरे session में next 40-45 minutes आपको लगता है कि आप थोड़े slouch कर रहे हैं, हमेशा इस exercise को करिए. Okay, just roll your shoulders, put it below your ears, stretch your hands on the sides. Stretch on the top, on the sides. Again, hold. And now shake. Come on. Shake. Shake your body. Shake, 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 shake. With both hands. If you're holding anything with one hand, then keep that thing aside and just shake. Keep shaking. Now, this is to relax your mind and tell that come back. Agar aap ghar ke bare mein kuch bhi soch rahe ho, whatever you are thinking apart from this session, you have to just forget and you have to be present in the moment. Okay. So when you just start shaking, you shake all your worries, you shake all your tensions. आप सारे वो टेंशन वरी, अगर आप किसी एक रूम में बंद है मेरी तरह, तो मेरे रूम के बाहर क्या हो रहा है उसके बारे में आपको नहीं सोचना है या नहीं सुनना है. You have to be present completely here. The second thing that you need to do to become more aware and more mindful is breathe. Okay. So once you are done with shaking and you are sitting straight, just keep your right hand on your chest and left hand on your tummy and breathe in. Take a deep breath. Now, when you take a deep breath, your tummy should come out. Okay, your abdomen should come out. That is called diaphragm breathing. If you are breathing and your chest is coming out, that is called chest breathing. If you're just breathing and nothing is going up and down, that means you're just breathing from your nose. So you have to breathe diaphragm. मतलब पेट से सांस लेना है. So you go breathe. Your tummy should go out and you leave. When you release from your mouth, your tummy should go in. Take 2 long breaths. And you are relaxed. So this makes your mind come in the present zone. ठीक है, ये आपको आपकी रियलिटी से मिलाता है कि ये रियलिटी है, ये स्क्रीन अभी फिलहाल. एंड अभी जो हम करने वाले हैं वो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट 2 राउंड या 3 राउंड जो आप करेंगे FCR के साथ, या हैरी वुड बी डिस्कसिंग विथ यू, इट इज ऑल ऑन दिस स्क्रीन. एंड इसी स्क्रीन के थ्रू आपको अपना मार्क बनाना है. You have to be presentable, you have to make your mark, and you also have to be, seen. आपको दिखना चाहिए. You must think, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि यार स्क्रीन के थ्रू मैं कैसे कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ या कैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर सकती हूँ, but that's not the matter. The screen is very powerful and I will let you know how. Okay, are we good to go? Show me 2 hands. Thumbs up. Are we good to go? Show me 2 thumbs up. Okay, great. So now let me just start sharing my screen. So cool. So today we'll be talking about online personal brand, which means defining your virtual presence. In the chat box or just unmute and let me know what do you mean by personal brand. ये online personal brand क्या होता है? Personal brand क्या है? किसी को पता है personal brand क्या होता है?
मैम,
हाँ जी बोलो दिव्यांशी.
where we can show ourselves.
Where do you want to show yourself? Personal, अच्छा personal brand का मतलब क्या होता है ये बताओ. Personal brand का क्या मतलब होता है?
Personal brand means like जैसे हम अपना खुद का जो पहचान बनाते हैं, लाइक अगर कोई टाइटल है उसे हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, हमारा लाइक वो किसी भी चीज से रिलेटेड हो, लाइक अगर अपनी भी पहचान हो तो हम उसे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं और वो क्या शो कर रहा है.
ग्रेट. तो हमारी पहचान इज द वर्ड. ठीक है. पर्सनल ब्रांड को अगर किसी को डिफाइन करना है आपको, जैसे आपने सही कहा हमारी पहचान. अब वो कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है वो बात की बात है, बट पर्सनल ब्रांड इज ऑल अबाउट यू. ओके. आप देखोगे, आप बोलोगे शाहरुख खान पर्सनल ब्रांड है, आप बोलोगे टाटा एक पर्सनल ब्रांड है, आप बोलोगे नाइकी एक पर्सनल ब्रांड है, सैमसंग एक पर्सनल ब्रांड है, ऐश्वर्या राय पर्सनल ब्रांड है, लारा दत्ता पर्सनल ब्रांड है. तो वो लोग एक पर्सनल ब्रांड है, मींस दे आर देम, दे आर यूनिकली देम. Lara Datta is not copying Aishwarya Rai. Aishwarya Rai is not copying Shushmita Sen. Shushmita Sen is not copying anyone. So when we talk about personal brand, it has to be as pure and as authentic as possible. Personal branding में आप copy नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. So if you talk about me as Sonu Singh, I am unique. I have a personal brand of my own, and similarly are with you. So all 24, 25 of you who have joined in, you all are very unique in your own sense, and यही हमारे पर्सनल ब्रांड को डिफाइन करता है. आजकल हमारा पर्सनल ब्रांड अब डिफाइन होता है ड्यू टू ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस. ठीक है. हम डिजिटल मीडिया में कैसे अपने आप को कंडक्ट करते हैं, हम डिजिटल मीडिया में कैसे एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, हम डिजिटल मीडिया में अपने बारे में क्या लोगों को दिखाना चाहते हैं, वो भी एक आता है ऑनलाइन पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग में. एंड आज हम जिस टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे वो है डिफाइनिंग योर वर्चुअल प्रेजेंस. ओके. नाउ वर्चुअल प्रेजेंस मतलब ये जो छोटी सी विंडो है, ये जो खिड़की है जो आप मेरे को देख सकते हो, एक रेक्टेंगल शेप की, चाहे वो हॉरिजॉन्टली खड़ी हो या वर्टिकली खड़ी हो, डजंट मैटर. बट ये जो विंडो है, यहां से हम जब अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करते हैं या हम अपने आप को दिखाना चाहते हैं, एंड अगर हम अपने आप को वो विनर की कैटेगरी में रखना चाहते हैं, देन ये विंडो हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है. Okay, so great. So virtual presence is defined by these 4 factors: how you look, how you behave, how you respond, and how others respond to you. And to your surprise, not in virtual presence, but any presence of yours. आप अगर virtually अपने आप को present कर रहे हो या आप physically अपने आप को present करोगे in the month of December, ये चारों चीज उतनी ही valid है. तो अगर आपको अपना personal brand बनाना है, okay, fine. Now just let me ask everybody a question. How many of you are here to win that crown? Show me with a raise of hand. How many of you are here to win the crown? I suppose everyone should be raising a hand, right? Because आप सब यहाँ पे crown जीतने आए हो, आप सब एक winner category में अपने आप को देखने आए हो. चाहे आप main crown जीते या city crown जीते या nation crown जीते, doesn't matter. You have to win the crown. That's the important thing. एंड उसके लिए जरूरी है कि आप ये राउंड्स क्लियर करें जो आपके सामने आने वाले हैं. एंड उसके लिए ये जरूरी है कि आप इस सेशन को बहुत सीरियसली सुने, क्योंकि वर्चुअल प्रेजेंस सुनने में और करने में जितना इजी लगता है, वो जब इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पे बात आती है वो उतना ही डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि इस स्क्रीन के थ्रू, इस स्क्रीन पे हमारा एक्चुअली कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, टू बी वेरी ट्रू. लेकिन हम अपना कंट्रोल बना सकते हैं. ओके. सो इस टेक्नोलॉजी पे, हमारे स्क्रीन पे, हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी पे कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है हमारा. ये कभी भी स्नैप हो सकता है, कभी भी ऑफ हो सकता है. बट क्या आप इस टेक्नोलॉजी स्क्रीन के अलावा भी अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, कुछ अच्छा दिखा सकते हो या नहीं, ये उस पर डिपेंड करता है. राइट. So virtual presence के 4 parts होंगे: how you look, how you behave, how you respond, and how others respond to you. And we will go step by step in each of these 4 process. पूरा का पूरा process ये 4 step पे ही है, इसलिए ध्यान से सुनिएगा. तो सबसे पहला how you look. How you look में आप जैसे देख रहे हो कि योर कम्स योर क्लोथिंग, योर ग्रूमिंग, योर एटिकेट, योर मैनरिज्म, एवरीथिंग कम्स इन हाउ यू लुक. एंड हाउ यू लुक का सबसे पहला इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है द 3F रूल फॉर वर्चुअल प्रेजेंस. नाउ व्हाट इज द 3F रूल? द फ्रेम, द फेस एंड द फैशन. द फ्रेम दैट यू आर इन, दिस फ्रेम, ये जो ट्राइंगल रेक्टेंगल फ्रेम जो है, नॉट अ ट्राइंगल सॉरी, ये जो रेक्टेंगल फ्रेम है, चाहे वो हॉरिजॉन्टल हो या वर्टिकल हो, दिस इज योर फ्रेम वेयर यू हैव टू शाइन. The second thing that needs to shine is your face, of course, and the final thing that needs to shine is your fashion. So how do you actually ace this frame? तो सबको स्क्रीन पे ना एक फ्रेम दिखेगा. दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल फ्रेम ऑफ द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन. नाउ अगर आप मोबाइल फोन से ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, देन यही फ्रेम स्ट्रेट हो जाता है, जहां पे आपका एरिया बहुत कम मिलता है. सो फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट थिंग जो आपको करनी है कि आप किसी भी राउंड के लिए आ रहे हो, इफ पॉसिबल ज्वाइन फ्रॉम अ लैपटॉप. If possible, if not, then you have to, you don't have a choice, you have to join from a phone, but try to join from a laptop, because जो laptop का frame है, it gives you more area. A phone frame will not give you that much area. So if I see Sangeeta, Divyanshi, you both are, since you are on my screen, I'm just using you as an example. I am on a virtual screen, which is on a laptop screen. I think Sonal is on a phone. She has actually put it up. You are on a phone or you're on a laptop, Sonal? Just unmute and let me know.
I'm on laptop only.
Okay, so आप लैपटॉप पे हो, तो आपका लैपटॉप का जो स्क्रीन है ना, उसका आप सेटिंग चेंज करो, क्योंकि आपकी स्क्रीन छोटी लग रही है. यू हैव टू गो फॉर फुल स्क्रीन. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप ज्वाइन करो, नॉट नाउ, इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी कि आप अभी करो, नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप ज्वाइन करो, तो ज्वाइन करने से पहले जूम में एक ऑप्शन होता है फ्रेम का. अगर आप सेटिंग्स में जाओगे तो आपको दिख जाएगा फ्रेम. वाइड स्क्रीन है, 16:9 है, या फुल स्क्रीन है. आपको उसमें से जो फुल स्क्रीन वाला ऑप्शन होगा, आप वो चूज करना एंड पुट yourself in complete frame. I don't want you to cut yourself. Okay. Now Sangeeta and Divyanshi, you both are on phone. Okay. So आप जब फोन पे होते हो, तो क्या होता है कि फोन की दायरा इतना होता है, बस इतना ही. आपके शोल्डर से आप कट हो जाते हो. ओके, इफ यू आर वेरी क्लोज टू योर फोन, आपके शोल्डर से आप कट हो जाते हो मैक्सिमम टाइम. तो संगीता जी तो बहुत ही ज्यादा कट है. दिव्यांशी स्टिल यू आर बैक, तो आपका फिर भी शोल्डर दिख रहा है, लेकिन अगर आप बहुत पास आओगे तो आपके शोल्डर से आप कट हो जाओगे. तो जरूरी है कि आप अपने शोल्डर, अपने हाथ, किसी भी वर्चुअल सेशन के लिए आपके हाथ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत ही ज्यादा. क्यों? क्योंकि आपका सिर्फ यही तक दिखता है, from your head to your chest. Okay, now I would request you all to set up your laptop and system so that at least from your head to your chest you are visible. If you can show much beyond, so अगर laptop थोड़ा और ऊपर करेंगे, I'll just let you show you the difference. So this is my setting of the laptop for my session, but if I just put it a little higher and I go like this, so you will see, you can see from my head to my belly also. Like if I go back, you can see this much position. Okay. So आपकी सेटिंग ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट टू योर चेस्ट यू आर विजिबल. यू शुड नॉट गेट कट हियर, यू शुड नॉट गेट कट हियर. ऐसी भी पोजीशन नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आप नहीं दिख सकते. आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड आपके राइट हैंड साइड, सॉरी, आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड आपके राइट हैंड साइड पे इक्वल डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. सी, अगर आप स्क्रीन पे भी देखोगे तो जो बंदा है वो एकदम सेंटर में है, उसके लेफ्ट एंड राइट पे यू हैव इक्वल डिस्टेंस मेंटेनिंग. इससे क्या होगा, when you do a hand movement or when you want to talk something or when you want to tell, because understand, जब हम virtual screen पे बात करते हैं, हम हाथ बांध के नहीं बात कर सकते. हम कथकली भी नहीं करेंगे, हम भरतनाट्यम भी नहीं करेंगे अपने हाथों से, लेकिन हम अपने हाथों को उतना ही यूज करेंगे जितना we need to use it. So always use your hands, because your hand shows power. Your hand shows authenticity. If you are talking with your hands and your face and your mouth, it shows that you are unique, you are in the mind, and you know आप authentic हो, आपकी authenticity आती है बाहर. लेकिन अगर आप हाथ ऐसे क्रॉस करके बात करोगे या ऐसे करके बात करोगे या आप हाथ यूज ही नहीं करोगे, तो लगेगा आप बनावटी काम कर, you are playing it up. So instead, if you want to become authentic in the virtual world, you have to show your hands, because your hands are something which are like, you have to show it, because this is the open gesture. Okay, so always try to show your hands when you speak. Do not try to close it, cut it. Shoulder से अगर कट हो रहा है आपका हैंड तो प्लीज उसको मत करिए, क्योंकि आपके हैंड मूवमेंट्स आपको नहीं समझ में आएंगे. द सेकंड थिंग दैट यू नीड टू टेक केयर इज लेफ्ट एंड राइट हो गया, इक्वल डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए फ्रॉम योर हेड टिल द टॉप. तो ये मेरा टॉप दिख रहा है आपको. So from your head to the top only 4 finger gap should be there. उतना ही. तो अगर आप ऐसे रखो, अपने हेड के ऊपर 4 फिंगर रखो. इफ यू कैन सी 1 2 3 4, my 4 fingers can be seen and it's very clear. It's not कि कोई एक फिंगर कट नहीं है. Only 4 fingers should be seen from your head till the top. इससे क्या होगा, you are in the maximum frame. ना आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कुछ ज्यादा दिख रहा है, ना राइट हैंड साइड कुछ ज्यादा दिख रहा है, ना टॉप ज्यादा दिख रहा है. आप सेंटर. फ्रेम का मतलब होता है कि आप सेंट्रल आइटम हो, आप सेंट्रल पीस हो. तो आप जब घर सजाते हो या आप कहीं भी जाते हो, ओके, आप जब कहीं जाते हो ना किसी एस्थेटिक जगह पे, इफ यू गो टू एनी शॉप, इफ यू गो टू एनी प्लेस which has these items which are very aesthetic, you will see they are placed right in the center so that they catch your eyes and there is minimum distractions around. So if you can minimize your distraction, that's the best thing that you can do. Okay, so this should be your position when you are on a laptop. When you are on a phone, what you can do is you can just place the phone at a distance on a stable position. Please, 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 I will request you all, when you come in your talent rounds, phone हाथ में रख के मत आइए. Don't just keep your phone in your hand and talk, or don't let anyone else also to hold your phone. If you are asking anybody else to hold your phone, then please test with him. उसके साथ टेस्ट कर लीजिए कि how much are you moving and how much is he moving. Because how much ever you try, आपके हैंड शेक करते हैं. How much stable you are, like आप कितने भी स्टेबल इसको पकड़ के रखो, आपके हैंड्स फिर भी मूव करेंगे. So try using something like a stand, like a ring light stand or a tripod stand, or even you can use like this. So you can use books like this, जैसे मोटे मोटे बुक्स है, उनको यूज करिए. पीछे एक बॉटल लगाइए and फोन को एक स्टैंड पे रखिए. It's important that you should be stable. If you are not stable, then everybody else is watching everything that is happening around you and not you. ठीक है? So अपने फ्रेम को अगर मेंटेन करना है, you have to keep almost like a one. अगर आप लैपटॉप पे हैं तो it's one hand distance. Okay, see. So my frame is just, my laptop is just one hand distance. I can touch my laptop very easily. If you're on phone, it goes to around one and a half hand distance. मतलब एक हाथ और आधा हाथ थोड़ा दूर रखना पड़ेगा ताकि आपकी बॉडी आपको नजर आए. ठीक है? Clear? Any question till now, please write in the chat box, or you can also unmute and ask me, or you can note it down in the diary. We'll take it up later also. How do you know? Now the eye level. Everybody is looking like this. Okay, कोई ऐसे देख रहा है, कोई ऐसे देख रहा है, कोई ऐसे देख रहा है. Now you need to look straight in the camera. जो कैमरा है आपका, you need to look straight. How do you look straight? तो जब आप positioning ऐसे करोगे, when you will position your laptop or when you position your phone in such a way that the camera is right pointing here in between, जहाँ आप बिंदी लगाते हो. If your camera lens is directly pointing here, so if I go like this, okay, you hold it like this and you go straight. This is my camera. Okay, hold it like this, go straight, and this is my camera. When you are putting it up like this, when you speak and seeing that little hole, it feels like I am talking to you. You know, so now I'm directly looking at the camera. Don't you think that I'm looking at you and speaking? Now, if I start looking at somebody else, so I'm now looking at Divyanshi because Divyanshi is somewhere down inside mine. If I start looking at Sonal, if I start looking at Harry, so if I start looking at everybody, now understand every frame is different. जो मेरा frame है वो आपका frame नहीं है. So in my frame, if Divyanshi is the third person or the fourth person, in your frame, she might be the second person. Okay, or she might be down below something. So you don't know where the person is. So even in your talent rounds, when you see the judges, now one, it is not कि आप कोई physical round में है ना कि तीनों जज एक साथ आपको दिखेंगे. ऐसा तो है नहीं. कोई ऊपर दिखेगा, कोई नीचे दिखेगा, कोई सेंटर में दिखेगा. So instead of seeing at the judges and doing your performance, try seeing straight in the camera. When you try and see straight in the camera, आप distract नहीं होगे कि दूसरे मुझे देख रहे हैं या नहीं, judges मुझे देख रहे हैं या नहीं. You will be completely focused on your own act. Good? Clear? Camera, height, frame, laptop, phone. इतना clear हुआ? Okay. And how do you test it? So just put your hands in front. If you put your hands in front, you can supposedly touch your laptop or your phone. That's the way you should be keeping a distance. Itne distance mein you can speak normally and your voice would be very, very clear. If you think that your voice is not so high, so my natural voice is high. Okay, so my natural voice tone is high. But if you think it is not, yours is not, use earphones. Use earphones which don't have a wire. बिकॉज अगर आप मूव करोगे वो वायर भी आपके साथ मूव करेगा. अगर आपके पास वायर वाला नहीं है देन प्लीज यूज अ वायर वन, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज द ब्लूटूथ एयरफोन्स व्हिच गोज रियली वेल विद द लैपटॉप. तो आप कितने भी डिस्टेंस में जाओ वो आपको सुनाई देगा, आराम से क्लियर वॉइस आएगी. ओके, ग्रेट. So this is the frame that you should be in. Very clear, very in center. You should not be on the side. You should not be just going inside the frame that only your shoulder or your body part is being seen. तो ये हमेशा याद रखिए कि ये फ्रेम जो है यही सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप इस फ्रेम के बाहर क्या करते हो उससे मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So if I just put my hands outside, you can't see what is happening, what I'm doing here. उससे किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But your frame has to be perfect. Okay. In the frame, another thing that you need to take care of is your background. Now try to keep a plain background as much as possible. Okay, plain say I mean even a background like which Divyanshi has is perfectly fine. कि एक door है, या Sonal has a green wall, Sangeeta has a green wall. I can't see anybody else. I will see it later and I'll let you know. So जितना आपका background clear होगा उतना बेहतर होगा. जितना आपका बैकग्राउंड मेसी होगा, क्लटर्ड होगा, चीजें होंगी, दैट बिकम्स अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, सो आइदर don't keep a virtual background during your talent rounds, because if you are putting up a virtual background you have to put a green screen so that wherever you go you are visible. Otherwise if you see, if I like there are some distractions. Okay, so if you go here and there you will get cut. तो अगर आप वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड लगाते हो आप कट हो जाते हो. इसलिए वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड नहीं लगाइएगा जब आप अपने टैलेंट राउंड्स में आते हैं. दीवार या जो प्लेस है आपके पीछे उसको थोड़ा साफ रखिएगा. ओके, जस्ट कीप इट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. कि अगर कपड़े हैं पीछे, अगर आपके पास जगह कम है एंड यू हैव क्लोथ्स एंड बुक्स एंड टेबल एंड अ चेयर, try to keep it as organized as possible so that does not become a distraction for me as a judge or anybody as a judge, so that I don't see you and I see your background. I understand everybody does not have that leverage or facility of having a clean background, but keep it as clutter free as possible. If you have a plain wall, brilliant. And always remember, dress in contrast to the wall. So if your wall is light, you dress dark. If your wall is dark, you dress light. Always in contrast में आप ड्रेसिंग करेंगे, चाहे आप जो भी कर रहे हैं, चाहे आप मेकअप कर रहे हो, आप कपड़े पहन रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, हमेशा अपने वॉल से मैच कर लिए. कि आपने देख लिया मुझे यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करना है, अब आप देखो कि उसका वॉल का कलर क्या है, टेक्सचर क्या है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग. अब अगर आप देखोगे कि आपके वॉल में कोई टेक्सचर बना है, कोई डिजाइन बनी है, कोई ड्रॉइंग बनी है, तो आप प्रिंटेड कपड़े पहन के मत आ जाओ. अदरवाइज क्या होगा कि आप वॉल के साथ मर्ज हो जाओगे. सो यू हैव टू बी प्लेन. सो ऑलवेज ड्रेस इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट, जो मैं आपको फैशन में समझाऊंगी. ओके, तो ये है आपका फ्रेम जो आपको क्लियर रखनी है. सेकेंड थिंग इज फेस. नाउ द फेस बिकम्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ ब्यूटी क्वीन, बिकॉज इट्स beauty with brain. So first I need to see your beauty and then I need to see your brain. So beauty के लिए you have to be clear on your face. How do you become clear on your face? जो light है, your light source should not be at back of your head, but it should be in front of you. So when you have a light source in front of you, your face lightens up. But if you have a light source behind you, चाहे वो खिड़की हो या लाइट हो या बल्ब हो, वो कुछ भी हो, अगर वो पीछे रहेगी तो आप ऐसे काले नजर आओगे सामने. क्यों? क्योंकि वो स्क्रीन के लेंस को हिट करती है एंड लेंस से रिफ्लेक्ट करके वो मुझे आती है, जो बिल्कुल मुझे ब्लैकआउट कर देगी. Okay, so always keep your light source in front. If you think you don't have anything to help you with, कि naturally मेरे पास कोई इतनी बड़ी दीवार, इतनी बड़ी वॉल नहीं है जहां से लाइट आ रही हो, या मेरे पास स्टैंड नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, invest in a ring light at least. If not the bigger one like this, but even you can invest in a small selfie light. Okay, it comes around $200-300 in Amazon. It's available. So a small 200-300 का रिंग लाइट में इन्वेस्ट करिए, उसको अपने लैपटॉप या फोन के आगे लगा दीजिए So whenever you will speak on the camera, जब कैमरा के सामने आप लगा दीजिए, whenever you speak, the light is going to reflect on your face. And during your all your rounds and session, that is going to give you a good impact. The second thing that you need to do with your face is don't come for any session on the face just like that. That कि आपने बिस्तर से उठो और आप आ गए हो. Don't be like that. Now, when you have training sessions and all those things, be presentable. Okay, be presentable with some kind of little bit of makeup, good hair grooming, of nice smiling face is that what we are looking forward to. किसी को भी एक sad face देखने में किसी को मजा नहीं आता है. Okay, so always have this smiling face on your smiling, gesture on your face, light on your face, and put some kind of a makeup when you are coming for training sessions. But when you are going for rounds which involves heavy makeup and proper do and things, then do it. Invest your time and वो करिए. And आगे अगर light है तो ही आपका वो makeup and वो सब दिखेगा. Otherwise कुछ नहीं दिखने वाला. Okay, everything is going to go black out. आपकी 1 घंटे 1.5 घंटे की मेहनत वो 90 सेकंड के बाद जीरो हो जाने वाली. So always remember to put some kind of a blush on, some kind of a normal nude lipstick, or just smoothen out your skin. That's it. You don't have to put contouring and lighting and highlighting and whatnot that you all would be doing in the sessions. But when you come for training sessions, whenever you are on a Zoom meet, अगर आप कोई भी meeting के लिए आ रहे हैं, simple meeting के लिए भी आ रहे हैं, then at least try to make an effort and be presentable. That's the thing. So light source on your face, makeup on your face, well-groomed hair, a smiling face. That is what people are looking forward to. So this is the good and this is the bad face that I would look forward to. Okay, so if you are sitting so stern and rigid and everything, then of course I would not like to see you. As a trainer, it is as a trainer, as a host, as a judge, as a panelist, it becomes so difficult to keep seeing on people's face like this. But if you're presentable, if you're smiling, a little bit of kajal, a little bit of color, which gives, highlights your skin. Another thing, when you're putting up colors and makeup, अंडरस्टैंड कि आप फिजिकल नहीं है. ओके, आप जब फेस टू फेस कोई चीज देखते हैं वो बहुत डिफरेंट होती है, एंड जब आप कोई चीज स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं वो बहुत डिफरेंट होती है. तो अगर आप जब मेकअप कर रहे हैं तो ऐसा मेकअप करने की कोशिश करिए. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर राउंड्स. ओके, इन योर सेशंस जो आप नॉर्मल जूम मीटिंग्स पे आएंगे, प्लीज कीप इट टू मिनिमलिस्टिक नेचुरल मेकअप इज गुड. बट व्हेन यू कम टू योर राउंड्स, don't do a makeup which is too loud for the screen or just too dead for the screen. Try to brighten up, try to lighten up your face, and I think that your makeup artist will help you understand how you can do it. But always understand the funda that know your personal colors, know what colors suits you, what colors makes you brighter, what colors makes you happier, and use that so that the screen lightens up. If you're using colors which are dull and making you dull, it will pull you down on the screen also. अगर face to face वो आपको भले अच्छा लग रहा हो, लेकिन कभी कभी screen पे वो नहीं अच्छा लगता. तो क्या करिएगा आप? The tip is always do your makeup, click a photograph or do a video call with somebody. आप देखोगे कि आपके कैमरे का डेफिनेशन और सामने वाले के कैमरे का डेफिनेशन बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. आप अगर एक तरह का कैमरा यूज कर रहे हो, कोई और किसी और तरह का कैमरा यूज कर रहा है, दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है. ओके, सो ऑलवेज ये टेस्ट एंड ट्राई कर लीजिएगा बिफोर योर राउंड्स so that it becomes easier for you to manage. Don't slouch and sit कि सिर्फ गर्दन दिख रही है. You have to be presentable. You have to sit straight, back straight, smiling face, grooming and well groomed. So that is the proper way of showing your face. So like I did an exercise in the morning itself in the beginning that always roll up your shoulders and try to sit straight. Now I know it becomes difficult कि आप 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा कैसे इतना straight बैठ सकते हैं. So the trick is you don't need to always be sitting like this straight, back straight and shoulder and chest out. It becomes difficult. बीच बीच में आप ब्रेक जरूर ले लीजिए. A minute or two, 1-2 मिनट का ब्रेक लेके आप थोड़ा स्लाउच कर सकते हैं, but then come back. The point is you have to come back and you have to be attentive. That will make your mind more attentive and mindful. Okay, now coming about fashion. So fashion में the first and foremost thing is please follow the dress code. जो भी ड्रेस कोड आपको बताया जा रहा है FCR की तरफ से, कैजुअल, फॉर्मल, ट्रेडिशनल और as per your act, please follow the dress code strictly because that is the case. When you follow the dress code from semi-formal to semi-casual works on all the meetings. Now semi-formal and semi-casual, who can help me understand this? What is semi-formal and what is semi-casual? Anybody like to answer? Just raise your hand and I'll call you. कौन explain करेगा मुझे? What is semi-formal and what is semi-casual? Come on.
Ma'am.
हाँ जी दिव्यांशी बोलिए.
Ma'am, like jeans and shirt is like semi-formal, और like formal pants, like जो trouser होते हैं normal, जो business वाले होते हैं, and उसके ऊपर t-shirt, वो भी semi-formal में आ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
और semi-casual like top and normal trousers.
अच्छा बताओ आपने क्या पहना है? What have you worn?
Ma'am, crop shirt.
Shirt पहना है with a collar.
Yes.
And bottom is?
Normal joggers.
ऑनलाइन मीटिंग वाला फंडा है. नाइस, ग्रेट. आई सो अप्रिशिएट, यू आर सो ट्रू. मैं आपको खड़ा नहीं कराने वाली थी लेकिन आपने सच्ची सच्ची बता दिया. दैट्स ग्रेट. ओके, सोनल ने क्या पहना है? जस्ट बाय सीइंग. वेट, सोनल डोंट अनम्यूट. दिव्यांशी, सोनल ने क्या पहना है? व्हाट यू कैन सी. यू आर ऑन म्यूट बेबा. यू आर ऑन म्यूट.
मैम, टी-शर्ट.
टी-शर्ट. हेमलता ने क्या पहना है?
मुझे सबको देखना पड़ेगा. एक्चुअली मेरा फोन है ना, तो मुझे सब लोग दिख नहीं रहे हैं.
अच्छा, ओके, ग्रेट. हाँ, हेमलता, थैंक यू. दिव्यांशी, you are supposed to say something.
Yeah, the Divyanshi is wearing, I think, semi-formal because it's top on the upright, and I don't know what she is
now
wearing.
Now
on
that
the
Divyanshi has told me she is wearing a jogger, I'll not put her in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, great. So understand there are 4 levels of dressing. Okay, so a very quick introduction to 4 levels of dressing. सेमी फॉर्मल और सेमी कैजुअल क्या होता है मैं बाद में आती हूँ. पहले मैं फॉर्मल, कैजुअल, बिजनेस फॉर्मल एंड उस पे आ जाती हूँ. ठीक है. तो द फर्स्ट लेवल इज कॉल्ड कैजुअल ड्रेसिंग. कैजुअल ड्रेसिंग में क्या है? इट्स द क्यू इज यू डोंट हैव कॉलर. इट्स लाइक राउंड नेक टी शर्ट्स, वी नेक टी शर्ट्स, कुर्तास जिसमें there is no collar. Okay, there is no collar, so it's just round. It's just round neck, V neck, you say halter neck, whatever you want to say. So that is called casuals. Denims are never counted in formals. Okay, so if you are wearing a denim and a shirt, don't count yourself in formal, that you are in formal or a semi-formal kind of a thing. Denim, as per the category of the material, it is considered as completely casual. And it should not be worn in the formal situation. But aajkal, because of the styling and the fad and the season, we do consider it with a little bit of tweak. Now, if you are wearing a denim which is dark colored and straight fitted with no distress, then that is considered still as semi-formal. But if you are wearing a denim like de-stress, jo yahan se phata hai, wahan se phata hai, you know, all kind of shades are there in the denim, then that is absolutely casual, complete casual. Aap usko chahe थर्ड लेयर ब्लेजर से ही क्यों ना उसको वो कर दे, बट स्टिल इट बिकम्स अ कैजुअल. सो द फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ वेयरिंग इज, द फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ वेयरिंग इज कैजुअल. द सेकंड लेवल ऑफ वेयरिंग इज कॉल्ड सेमी कैजुअल, वेयर इन यू इंक्लूड अ कॉलर. ठीक है. तो आप जब सेकंड लेवल ऑफ ड्रेसिंग करते हो, जैसे आप जनरली ऑफिस में जाते हो या आप जनरली किसी भी मीटिंग में जाते हो, एक कॉलर वाला शर्ट क्यों बोला जाता है वेयर अ कॉलर और अ पोलो शर्ट? Because it has a collar and it has given a little bit of authority. So round neck is completely no authority. A little bit of collar. अगर आप कुर्ता हो, अब आप कुर्ताज में बात करें इंडियन वेयर में, तो जो हमारे हाई नेक कुर्ते होते हैं जिसमें यू नो हेनली कॉलर्स होते हैं, दे आर कंसिडर्ड a bit formal than the round neck or the V neck and all those things. Now don't go only on the neck style. There are different aspects which are included. I'm just giving you a cue. अगर नाउ आपका कुर्ता कॉटन का है, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट फिट है, उसकी यू नो अलाइनिंग एकदम स्ट्रेट है, कॉटन दुपट्टा आपने लिया है, स्ट्रेट पैंट्स पहने हैं विद अ राउंड नेक कुर्ता भी अगर पहना है तो वो भी फॉर्मल हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द क्वालिटी ऑफ द मटेरियल, द क्लॉथ दैट यू आर यूजिंग. बट अगर सेम आपने कोई यू नो टी शर्ट टाइप मटेरियल का कुर्ता पहना है, देन दैट इज नॉट फॉर्मल, चाहे आप उसके लिए कितने भी वो कर लें. सो द फर्स्ट लेवल इज round neck. The second level is with a collar. Now that collar can be as small as a Henley collar or a Chinese collar or a big collar like this or a shirt collar with buttons. So अगर shirt है, now if you are wearing a shirt which has buttons, the plackets, that is called the button down shirt, they are highly informal. With a black trouser they become completely formal, but with a jeans they become semi formal. Okay, now a white shirt with a denim blue jeans and a sneakers, it becomes casual, but with a high heels and a closed toe heels, it becomes formal. You know, so it is all about combination, but just understand the clarity. So round neck होगा level 1, collar होगा level 2, level 3 में अगर आपने कोई एक layering डाली है, that can be any kind of a jacket, that can range from a floral jacket to a, you know, crisp navy blue, gray and a black jacket. लेकिन it is not of the same कपड़ा as the pant. So if it's a third layering आपने कोई भी डाली, चाहे श्रग डाला हो, जैकेट डाला हो, स्कार्फ डाला हो, आपने कोई भी दुपट्टा रखा हो, so they are called the third level of dressing. And the fourth and the final level of dressing is called highly tailored. That means जो आपका jacket है और आपका pant है वो same थान से बना है. So all your business suits. Now your business suits, if it is in black, gray and blue, it becomes high on authority. But if your business suits are pastels and rani and yellow and mauve and teal, then they become low on authority. But क्यों? Because the colors that are used are very different. So the more neutral colors that you wear, it becomes high in authority. The more colorful you wear, it becomes low in authority. Okay, so that is the thing. Now semi-formal and semi-casual, how does it work? So semi-formal may, yes, if you are wearing something like a collared thing with a structured material, or adding a blazer or adding a third layering to it with a jeans or a not even formal trouser, but अगर आपने jeans पहना है, culottes पहना है, आपने plazos which are straight fitted plazo, not very flary, वैसा कुछ पहना है तो वो semi formal में आ जाएगा. But mandate आपने color क्या use किया है. शूज के मामले में अगर आपने क्लोज शूज पहने हैं या पीप टोज पहने हैं या किटन हील्स पहने हैं या हाई हील्स पहने हैं, फ्लैट पहने हैं, whatever you are wearing, they all come in semi formal. Now semi casual में जब आप jeans include कर देते हो, okay, so when you are including your denims, when you are including a short denim or a trouser as a denim, or you're including a round neck or a floral kind of a t-shirt with a denim, so they all come in semi casual. But your material that should be using is stiff material, not a very lousy and filthy material. Okay, so always keep yourself in semi formal to semi casual. Now skirt length, तो अगर आपने कुछ लॉन्ग एंकल लेंथ स्कर्ट पहना है तो वो कैजुअल सेमी कैजुअल में चला जाएगा. अगर आपने उसके साथ शर्ट के साथ टाइप किया है, आपने नी लेंथ तक कोई स्कर्ट पहनी है जो पेंसिल स्कर्ट है, फिटेड स्कर्ट है या ए लाइन फ्लेयर स्कर्ट है, तो वो सारा कुछ आपका फॉर्मल में आ जाएगा. Okay, so depending on the occasion and depending on the kind of character that you are portraying, please use your clothes. अगर आप कोई character portray कर रहे हो, then that's absolutely okay. Your character requires a certain kind of clothing, please do that. But in case you are coming for meetings and all, which does not require a character, but you need to be in a semi-formal or semi-casual, then do wear those clothes. Anything which is very much revealing, anything which is very much skin showing, anything which is making you uncomfortable, anything which keeps you doing this or fidgeting with your clothes, please don't wear such kind of clothes when you come for any kind of meeting. Be comfortable, be airy, be breathy, but don't lounge in your pajamas. Okay, so don't sit in your pajama, no revealing clothes. Don't be a fashionista. Understand, when you are coming for meetings on your virtual meeting, चाहे FCR की meeting हो या कोई भी meeting हो, you don't need to be a fashionista, you need to be much more comfortable. Okay, you need to be much more professional, and your professionalism will be seen through your clothes that you wear. Why? Because working from home or on a virtual setup, it requires effort. कि भाई उठो, जाके तैयार हो, कपड़े निकालो. अगर वही आप बाहर जा रहे हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली विल मेक दैट एफर्ट, क्योंकि आप जब बाहर जाते हो तो आप इस तरह से उठ के नहीं चले जाते हो. अगर आप नॉर्मल बाजार भी जा रहे हो तो आप थोड़ा बहुत तो कुछ तो या तो शर्ट चेंज करोगे या पैंट चेंज करोगे. स्लीपिंग कपड़े में तो नहीं उठ के चले जाओगे ना, डिपेंडिंग कि एकदम अर्ली मॉर्निंग है या नहीं, बट स्टिल यू विल डू एन एफर्ट. इसीलिए इन अ वर्चुअल सेशन व्हेन यू नीड टू मेक इम्पैक्ट, मेक एन एफर्ट टू गेट अप फ्रॉम द बेड, wear your clothes, do some makeup, groom yourself, and then sit for the sessions. Okay, stay comfortable yet chic. Screen presence is about you, not your brands. So please don't keep showing off your brands. Tag यहाँ पे है या बड़े-बड़े logo brands के, वो सारे मत पहनिएगा. It's about you. We are coming here to see you, not your brands. Is it clear with everyone? Give me a thumbs up. And if it's too clear, give me 2 thumbs ups. Okay, great. Now how you behave. Okay, Manasmita, I would like you to pull up your, you're on phone. आप
Yes,
अपने
ma'am.
फोन को थोड़ा ऊपर कर सकते हो क्योंकि आप ऐसे देख रहे हो ना तो मुझे आपको ऐसे देखना पड़ रहा है.
ओके ओके, आई एम सॉरी. ओके, ठीक है मैम, अब भी ठीक
हाँ,
है.
ये बेटर है. तो इसी पोजीशन पे अपने फोन को कोशिश करेगा लगाने के लिए. तो मैं आपको जैसे स्ट्रेट देख पाऊँ.
मैम हाँ, ओके मैम.
ग्रेट, ठीक है. सो नाउ हाउ यू बिहेव. तो पहले तो अभी तक मैंने बात करी हाउ यू लुक. लुक में इतना कुछ आ जाता है, बिहेव तक तो हम पहुंचते ही नहीं है. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ यू बिहेव. सो बिहेव में क्या आएगा? आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज, आपका बैकग्राउंड, आपके डिस्ट्रैक्शंस, आपका टाइम मैनेजमेंट, कम्युनिकेशन एंड बिहेवियर. द ओवरऑल बिहेवियर दैट यू नीड टू मेंटेन. So body language, always try to keep an alert body language, which is open, which is accepting. So if you are sitting like this, and if you are sitting like this, अगर मैं ऐसे करके बोलूं तो किसको अच्छा लगेगा? Will you listen to me? You will say she is only not interested. Why should I listen to her? Okay. So if you see, my body language is very open. I use my hands, I use my face, I use my voice. I use all the 3 things to make you interesting in listening to me. कि मुझे सुनो, मुझे तुम्हें सुनना है. अगर तो आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं अच्छी लग रही तो मैं अपने हैंड्स यूज करूंगी. मेरे हैंड्स नहीं अच्छे लग रहे तो मैं अपना स्माइल यूज करूंगी. मैं अपना हेड यूज करूंगी. मैं कुछ करूंगी लेकिन आई वांट यू टू लिसन टू मी. Okay, so always keep an open body language. Now understand, keeping your hands like this is also a sign of closed body language. So don't cross your fingers like this completely. If you want to sit, then at least keep it open like this. थोड़ा open करना है. We are not sitting completely crossed, okay, unless we are praying. Okay, so people have the habit of praying like this, but always understand you should not cross your fingers in front of anybody because this shows a sign that you are not open. So always keep it a little bit of open, so you can just do it like this, if not this. So this is the best, like this is called the steeple position. This is called the steeple pose, which you generally use, and we all teachers and trainers, they use it. Because this also, क्योंकि हाथ के साथ क्या होता है ना, हमें लगता है यार हाथों का करना क्या है, बात तो मैं मुंह से कर रही हूँ, हाथों का क्या करूँगा. Where my hand should go, because I can't dance. Dancing का सेशन है तो नहीं कि I use my hands to dance. So where should I do? I can't put it in my pockets. I can't put it in my bag. I can't cross it. Then what should I do? So the best way is always put it like this. It gives you support. It also gives you a sense of support. You are supporting each other and you have a support. And don't keep anything in your hands and talk. Okay, so if I just keep talking, okay, हाँ Sonal बोलो क्या है. So background and distraction is something that you need to take care of. So this is distracting. This is completely distracting. So don't keep anything in your hand when you talk or when you are meeting somebody. Even when you are in your talent rounds, अगर आपको कुछ वैसा कैरेक्टर है कि तलवार रखनी है या पेन रखना है, छुरी रखना है, ठीक है, रखो. लेकिन उसको इतना मत यूज करो कि सामने वाले को लगे कि तुम वही यूज कर रहे हो, मैं देखूं कहां तुम्हें. Okay, so always understand to keep a open body language and show your hands and palms. If you are not doing anything with your hands and palms, then just you just make a this kind of a इसको क्या बोलेंगे, a 4, and you just hold it like this and put it on the table. That's it. Simple. Be comfortable. This will also make your body straight. You can sit straight also like this. Okay. Background, I have already spoken about it. कि please background अपना जितना हो सके उतना clear रखे, साफ रखे. If it's a blank wall, nothing like that. But then wall से मत चिपक जाइएगा. I understand you need to put it at a space कि जहाँ आपकी पूरी body भी दिखनी चाहिए. There are rounds wherein you have to shift your camera or your laptop back, and major of the spaces are being seen because you need to be seen in complete. So इसलिए background को हमेशा clear रखे, clutter free रखे ताकि वो गंदा ना लगे, and it should look nice. It should look pleasant to my eyes. Distractions कम रखिए ताकि distraction से there are 2 ways to take it. Okay. Now one way is people coming and going in. People coming and going in. So you should all test that first. Your systems, your mics, your camera, everything should be tested prior that you join any session. And in between, just keep a check that nobody should come in and go out, or you unmute and talk, and then I can hear everything in your home. So take care of that. The second distraction is when you hold your phone and talk to people. Okay, so when you are holding your phone, you are talking. So how do I explain? Okay, when you are on a phone, when you are close by, you see this much position and then you talk. And then when you have to show yourself, you again set the phone somewhere and then you go back. Now don't do that. how you can avoid is set the phone in such a way that your full figure is seen at one go. Okay, चाहे आप उसको थोड़ा ऊंचाई पे लगाइए at an angle, so your full figure would be seen, and use a phone, microphone, or use a earphone so that you can talk to us also at a distance. So आपको आगे पीछे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And जब आप earphones का use करेंगे, या तो आप माइक लगा लीजिए. if you know there are collar mics which you get, जो आप लगा सकते हैं, उनकी वायर काफी लंबी होती है through the laptop and the phone. So you can use that collar mic, or you can use an earphone which are wireless, and you can go just behind and stand from there and talk. So it creates less of distraction. You are coming ahead, going back, sitting, and then you say, wait ma'am, let me just finish up my setup. Your setup should be complete first. Before even you switch on the camera, आपका पूरा setup ready होना चाहिए. Okay, time management, always log in 5 minutes before your schedule. And before you log in, please understand wherever you are. These things will always help you to achieve anything in your life, not even with FCR. But if you are 5 minutes ahead of your time, it saves a lot of things for you. अगर आप 5 मिनट पहले पहुंचते हैं, you can calm yourself down, you can freshen up yourself down, you know where are the errors can happen, and you can rectify that. But if you are reaching 5 minutes late, you are already in a panic state and you can't calm yourself. And then things happens, and then it happens, and it happens, and it happens, and it happens. Okay, so always try to log in 5 minutes prior, or reach your venue or your destination 5-10 minutes prior, so that you can be comfortable, you can start breathing, and you come back to your zone. So being mindful of where you are requires you to be mindful of your time also. Great. Communication. So communication is not a choice. See, if I'm not talking also, and if I'm sitting like this quietly, then also I'm communicating something. You all are not talking to me directly, but each one of you through this screen, you are communicating something. So always understand, communication is not a choice. It's all about your visual, verbal, and vocal communication. Visual forms 93% of your communication. So जो मुझे दिख रहा है, मैं उस basis पे आपको judge करूंगी. Vocal and verbal तो बहुत बाद में है. Okay, so if I'm seeing that, you all are attentive and you all are sitting, you are smiling, sometimes you are nodding also to agree to my points, it gives me a message that yes, you are here in the session. But if I don't see you, anything, you are sitting blank, then I think I've lost you and you are gone, right? So don't do that. Communication is not a choice. Understand? It's not कि आप quietly बैठोगे तो मुझे कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा. You are not communicating. अरे मैं तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं, उसको कैसे पता चलेगा? आधे टाइम हम यही बोलते हैं ना, मैं तो ऐसे कुछ बोला ही नहीं, तुम्हें पता कैसे चलेगा? It is because it is not a choice, babes. It's not a choice. You are always speaking. You are always talking, either through your visual communication, or through your vocal, or through your verbal communication. And behavior comprises of everything. So yes, as Harry rightly said that, check your mics, check your systems, don't unmute, take care of your settings. So all these things comes in your behavior. The way you are conducting yourself on the screen, the way you answer your questions, the way you sit, you stand, everything is counts in behavior, your etiquette completely. So how you behave again defines how actually you respond. So are you listening? So how do you see that? How do I say that you are listening? So when you in between you nod or you smile, or when I say, give me a hands up, you give me a hand raise. So I understand you are listening, and listening is a very key skill that you should be having. So listen to the, draft that is being told to you. Listen to what Harry has to tell you, because when you listen, then only you will register. When you will register, then you will plan. When you plan, you will make an effort. And when you make an effort, that shows. बट अगर आप सुनेंगे ही नहीं तो दिखेगा क्या? कुछ भी नहीं. और भगवान ने 2 कान 1 मुंह दिया है ताकि you talk less and listen more. That is the whole category of these 2 ears and 1 mouth. You have to talk less and you have to listen more so that you become more effective. Effectiveness का मतलब ये नहीं है कि you speak more. Effectiveness means when you are listening effectively with an intent, with a positivity and an open mind, you tend to speak what is actually required and not blabber what is not required. Good? Are you present in the moment? So I always keep doing a small exercise. So come on, all of you, roll your shoulders. Roll your shoulders. Now don't do a shoulder roll exercise. Nahi karna hai. Just roll your shoulders, put down behind your ears, stretch yourself and come back in the zone. that is where you bring your mind to action. Okay, now I'm present here. So always be present in the moment. Are you aware what is happening around? Are you aware of, are you muted or not? Are you being seen or not? Is your system hanged or not? So all these things comes into the thing. Are you distracted with anything? Now your response will always depend on your distractions. तो अगर आप ज्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है कि यार नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, या नेक्स्ट सेशन में क्या होगा, या मैं पास करूंगी या नहीं, या ये मुझे क्लियर करेंगे या नहीं, या बाहर मेरे फैमिली में कुछ चिल्ला रहा है, या मेरा हस्बैंड बुला रहा है, या मेरा बच्चा बुला रहा है. So if I am distracted with these things, then what will happen? I will not be able to respond to you properly. The reason I'm able to respond to you, or the reason I'm able to be here, is because I am out of all those distractions. I have closed the door and that's it. Great. Are you mindful of being in the meeting? So mindful of being in the meeting is, of course, your mute, your hand raises, your screen, your everything. Now understand that when you are on camera, you are already in the spotlight. You don't need a spotlight on your head, okay? When you are on camera, you are already on the spotlight and you are already doing everything that needs to be judged by the people. If you are putting your camera off and you are listening like most of you are doing, if there would be genuine reasons, I don't deny it. There are network reasons, there are technology reasons, so there are hundreds of reasons. But when you are on the camera, you are already responding in a way that should be the way to respond. Because आप switch off करके तो आप सो भी जाओ तो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But अगर आप कैमरा पे हो, आप एक कंडक्ट कर रहे हो, आप एक एटिकेट कंडक्ट करते हो. Okay? And are you appreciating others' thoughts? So when others are speaking, are you really listening to them? Are you giving them appreciation? Or are you just worried of what will happen to me? अरे उसने इतना अच्छा कर दिया, मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा क्या होगा? You are not here to compete with anybody else. You are here to compete with your own self. So if your introduction round was good enough, your next round should be better. Your third round should be your best round. But if your introduction round is not a good one, then your next round you have to fight. I need to make it better than my own performance. You are not here to compete with anybody else. I repeat again, you are here to compete with your past performance. So every day is a measuring factor for you. So understand, you have to appreciate others also, but more than that, you have to be mindful of your performance. Great. Okay, now this is a very, very interesting thing that I like. Elevator pitch. Who will tell me what is an elevator pitch? Who will tell me what is an elevator pitch? Now don't tell me a pitch given in an elevator. Don't decode it and tell me. किसको पता है elevator pitch क्या है?
Is there something related to the sound or the frequency with which we speak?
No, Himlata. How can elevator pitch be that?
I thought it's pitch the sound or
no. Sales pitch सुना है लोग सेलू बंदे जो
Is it like a persuasive speech that you're trying to give? It's something like a speech.
It's a speech. You are there, but I would require a crisper. Nivedita, you don't have light in your face.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I'm in hostel right now, so either thoda bad lighting hai to.
So you get your selfie light and put it in front of your camera. That would help you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sure.
Yes, Jasmine. Boliye.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Jasmine.
Ma'am, in my opinion, it is the set of attractive words which define myself. Likewise, to advertise that what I am, what my personality is.
Nice.
Just like as you said, like sales pitch.
Attractive words define yourself. Wow, I love those words. Great. Thank you so much. Yes, all of you were right in your own sense. What is an elevator pitch? So elevator pitch is something like a 1-minute introduction to you. Because एक elevator, if it's a fast moving elevator, understand, to go from 0 to the 10th floor, it will take just 1 minute. Or maximum 2 minutes अगर slowly चल रहा है. ठीक है? Burj Khalifa का elevator takes around 5 minutes to reach 234th floor. Okay? And there are meetings and deals which get finalized in an elevator pitch. Why? Because that pitch was so powerful. In 1 minute or 2 minutes, In 60 seconds, how can you impress the other person? That is why it is called elevator pitch. क्योंकि elevator को उतना ही time लगता है to go to the 10th floor. So now understand, you are with me in an elevator and you want me to hire you, okay? Or I want somebody to hire me. So what will I tell that person that that person will be attracted towards me? First and foremost, I should look like one. Okay. So if I want somebody to focus on me and listen to me, first and foremost, I should look like one. Secondly, I should behave like one. Thirdly, I should react to him like that. And finally, that person will respond to me in the same way. So elevator pitch is all about that. So everything, jo crux aapne seekha, how a virtual presence is made, it's everything into it. So an elevator pitch is a short speech, right? Likely said by Nivedita, right? Yeah. It's a short speech between 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Maximum length uska wahi hota hai. Of a typical elevator ride that gives the listener a lasting impression of who you are, what you do, and what your goals are. Okay, now if I'm going in an elevator and I meet somebody and I want that person to get me that meeting, deal to chhod do, mujhe pehli meeting chahiye us bande ke liye, then what will I say? I will not just say here, sir, can you listen to me? I want to talk to you. No, it has to be direct. It has to come direct. So I'll just go and tell, hello, do you want to change your life and gain success? Something, a line which hard hits. Do you want to change life and gain success? That is what I do. I change people's lives so that they can become successful. So would you like to have a meeting with me as an image consultant? That is what is my profession. Okay, so in 2 minutes, my work is done. So the first line that you say should be so exciting that the person tries to listen to you. Use aapko sunna padega. At least you get that first meeting, that first break. Then you go and meet the person and then you explain your entire thing and your history and geography and crack the deal. That's a different issue altogether. You might give your elevator pitch to a person you meet at a networking event. Aap kahan dete ho elevator pitch? Generally on a networking event when you want to network with people, a potential client, or even to someone you meet in an actual event. Okay. And also to impress the judges like here. So if you have to impress your judges in your introduction round and tell them ki I wanted, why they should hire you and why they should give you extra points, you have to do that. A quick activity for that, I've stopped it. Bahut ho gaya presentation. I get bored out of it. Okay, great. Now all of you can doodle, scribble. So you all need to doodle something for me. Anything that is there in your mind right now. Just doodle something for me. You have 30 seconds to do that. Doodle something for me. And when you are done, just raise your hand or do a virtual raise hand. I will call you. So the first 5 raise of hand gets a chance to speak because I don't have time. And then Harry will tell me you have only 10 minutes to complete. Okay, so come on. Yes, Chetna. But then after doodle kiya to camera on karna padega. Otherwise, how will I see your doodle? Oh God. Where are you traveling?
I'm going to home now.
Oh, nice. So have you doodled anything? Anywhere? Okay, Chetna, you are on mute, so no problem. You carry on with your travel. We'll catch back again. Okay? Great. Yes, Sonal, dikhao. Show your doodle. Oh, nice. Okay, great. Now let me know one personality. Okay, why have I asked you to doodle this? Kisi ne to pucha hi nahi mujhse ki why are we doodling? So when you doodle something, you have to attach one personality of yours to that doodle. Why did you doodle? What is that one personality of yours that you want to give to that doodle? Yes, Sonal, batao. Aapne kyun fool kyun banaya hai? That fool bhi nahi, ye to bud hai. It's a bud, right?
I tried to draw a rose for you.
Oh, rose for me. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. And one personality that you would like to attach to that rose that you have.
One personality in me or anyone else?
In you.
Okay.
Doodle आपने बनाया ना, दिमाग में आपके है ना.
Yes. That I love flowers.
Now, I love flowers का मतलब ये थोड़े. Now, if I make a rose, then one personality that I would like to attach with the rose is I feel I'm beautiful at heart, and I love to give my fragrance to others.
Okay.
So that is how. Now see, if I tell me your one strong personality and then doodle, तो आप क्या करोगे? आपके पास तो 10-15 personality है, फिर आप सोचने बैठोगे, okay, फिर आप doodle करोगे. So that's the other way around. Whenever we doodle anything, जब भी हम कुछ draw करते हैं ना, it's always because we have something in top of our mind, and वो हमारा एक character होता है. That's always our personality. Okay, so if you are drawing a rose, then you can attach a personality to that rose, and you can let me know. Okay, anybody else? Who is the second? Yes, Jasmine. Thank you so much, Chetna. That's lovely. Yeah.
I also made a rose for you, ma'am.
Everybody is making a rose for me because I'm wearing a red top. That's why. Am I looking like a rose to you today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you also made a rose. Now, one personality of yours, one character of yours, which matches the rose. Because I'm here to meet you all. Yeah.
Actually, I have learned from my life because wherever you get something fruitful or positive, there is a presence of thorns also. I have learned from my life that hurdles would be there, and whenever you will pick that flower, it is possible that they will hurt you. But
कुछ तो चुभेगा. सुंदर चीज पाने के लिए चुभाना तो पड़ेगा, खून तो निकालना पड़ेगा, right? Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, Nivedita. Mute ho beta. You're on mute.
Sorry, ma'am. I've just drawn a heart with wings. Just ma'am, I like spreading positivity, and I'm always like a girl who always like chilling and doesn't take too much tension and all. Of course, I do take tension, but I get out of it as soon as possible. So I think that's one of my characters.
Great, nice. So your heart is always flying in the air, searching for
yes. हाँ, मैं कभी एक जगह पे रुकती नहीं हूँ, चलती रहती हूँ कहीं इधर उधर.
Nice. वो तो मैं देखा तुम रूम से बाहर आ गए.
हाँ.
Nice, nice. Great. Thank you so much. Yes, last two. Who will be the lucky last two? Yes, Hemlata.
No.
Hemlata ने hand raise कर दिया. Divyanshi. Yeah. Oh wow, you're such a beautiful drawing. Yeah. Who is this? You. You're on mute. Okay, one tip, guys. Whenever somebody asks you to speak, first check the mic. Unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is definitely me having the crown, and as a part of my personality, I'm a painter and a sketcher. So this is like that.
Oh, nice. That can be really seen. Great. So like a queen, you also want to feel like a queen when you win that crown.
Yeah, definitely.
Great. Yes, Abhipsha. I have not heard from you, so I would like to hear from you.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. First
Hello.
of all, good evening.
Good evening, dear. How are you?
So, yeah, good, ma'am. And this is my sketch.
थोड़ा पास लाओ. इतनी दूर से तो मेरी नजरें नहीं काम करती. थोड़ा पास लाओ.
Tree, ma'am, tree.
A cloud or a tree?
Tree, ma'am, tree.
Okay, tree. Huh.
So whenever I used to, someone tell me to scribble, it automatically comes in my mind to draw a tree, because I truly believe that resembles your strength, your strong, because it endures all weathers, either monsoon, either it's rainy or either like summer, but it stands, and at the same time, it endures all pains and gives like fruits or whatever things comes out of a tree. So I believe taking all the negativities and spreading smiles and happiness that in the way of fruit or anything that trees gives. So that is my personal.
Wow, that's lovely, Abhipsha. That was a beautiful explanation. Thank you so much. And thank you all, your lovely ladies, for putting up such an effort of drawing your thing. And Divyanshi, don't feel sad. I'll come back to you at the end. Okay. Okay, so the three main components of an elevator pitch. So understand, why did I make you this doodle? Because you all need to know what is your strength. You all need to know what is your personality. You all need to understand what is it that makes you unique. Because अगर आपको वो नहीं पता चलेगा, then आप कोई भी elevator pitch design नहीं कर पाओगे. Okay, so आप बस आने के लिए मत आओ. Don't be in the competition because you have to be in the competition. Be in the competition because you know why you are in the competition. So when you have your introduction round, you should be able to understand and tell people that what do you do, what distinguishes you, and what are your goals. Because without a goal, without a purpose, without a destination, this is nothing. Okay, everything is just a road. कहाँ जाना है, मतलब गलत ट्रेन, सही ट्रेन, किसी भी ट्रेन पे चढ़ थोड़े जाना है, right? You should be knowing what do you do, okay, and why you are unique. These are the three important components that you should be answering when you answer an elevator pitch. So the next screen has a few examples. So these are random examples of an elevator pitch. You can just take a screenshot and you can edit your answer depending on them. Okay, so if you are a college student, if you are a self-employed person, if you are a homemaker, if you are into something that you are selling. So understand, elevator pitch is all about selling yourself. How can you sell yourself the best? And if you want to know more about elevator pitch, just go and type on Google examples of elevator pitch during a pageant or something. You need to go and search and get the best 3-liners. Understand, एक elevator pitch में 3 lines से ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. If you are speaking more than 3 sentences, it should be crisp, it should be short, and it should be very, very effective. Okay, don't speak history, don't speak PhD, don't speak and जोड़ के sentence बड़ा करने का कोई मतलब नहीं. Write 3 lines, but that 3 lines should be powerful enough to hold the audience. Okay, so the key takeaways: first, keep it short and simple. Your elevator pitch should be very short, very crisp, and very simple. It should focus on the essentials and not the periphery. So don't beat around the bush saying that I wanted to do this, but I did this and I want. No, don't beat around the bush. Be very precise and very focused. Be positive and persuasive. Now, how can you be that? That would be through your voice. So the voice that you say, your voice should not be shaky. Your voice should be very, very confident. It should sound very confident. You should make a confident eye contact. You should have a very positive gesture. You should smile, you should nod, and you should include an open body language. And finally, practice, practice, practice. The more you practice it, the more it will become better. Don't think that abhi maine 3 line likh liya, main jaake bol dungi. No, it requires a little bit of effort. Put that effort and you see that you have gone to places. Okay, so with this, we come to the end of a session, and you have 10 minutes of your time to ask me any question that you want to ask. So do let me know if you have any question. And Harry, I'm done with the session. If you want to take over, it's your thing. But if anybody has any question, raise a hand and let the questions begin. Hey Pallavi, hi to your child.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. What's his name?
What is your name?
What is your name?
Huh? Tell your name.
My name is Sonu Singh. What's your name?
My name
is. Bola?
My name is.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yes. Anybody has any questions? I'm such a good teacher. Everybody understood everything. They have no question. Complete clarity.
Looking gorgeous, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much, Anjali. That's a pleasure. Yeah, tell me. That was
Hello.
Wonderland explanation. Wow, Yogita. Alice in Wonderland. I love it. हाँ जी अंजलि, आपको कोई सवाल था? नहीं ना? Okay, great. Thank you so much, all lovely ladies. Wish you all a super successful talent rounds. And talent rounds के लिए just keep in mind, background clear, light in front, have confidence, smile, and listen to whatever Harry has to say. Because if you listen to her instruction, it will be clearer in your mind what you need to perform on. And just don't come last minute and come and perform. Put in your best effort. Take out half an hour time. It will not take more than that. Take out half an hour time. Plan everything. Prepare and then present. Don't just present. There's a process. Plan, prepare, and then present. That is why this process is made. Okay, अगर process नहीं चाहिए तो फिर present ही कर देना, सब present ही कर देते हैं, right? And everybody would have got the crown, but that's not the case. So you have to always bring out that effort. If you bring out effort, that will be seen in people, that the judges will also see that you have made an effort. And of course, that will add to your rounds. So all the best, each one of you, and may all of you be the winners, but the best woman win this crown. Yes, Harry, over to you. Okay, everybody do this. I just like taking pictures. Let me click few screenshots.
Everybody
Thank
do
you
like
so
this.
much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Great. Great. Thank you. I got it. Yeah. Harry, are you there? And meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can let me know. Till the time I think Harry joins back. Yeah. Beautiful princess is back in town.
I am so sorry. I was on a call and I was rushing the call, suddenly that, okay, the meeting has ended. I'm really sorry about that. Thank you so much, Sonu. And, this is my second time hearing you out. So I had no worries that I had not to, interfere or something. I knew that I also heard you saying that Harry would kill me, if you exceeded 5 doodles. So thank you for keeping that in mind. That was, very mindful of you. Thank you so much. And I'm sure the ladies had a lot of fun. I can see some smiling, satisfied, content faces. Now they know what they're getting into. So absolute pleasure having you on board. We shall take your leave. But before that, of course, I am sharing Sonu's Instagram, Facebook details, ladies, because I'm sure, why would you not want to interact with her and, know more about her? I mean, there is no reason. So make sure you follow her and, keep in touch. She is there to respond in any possible way that you can. Instagram, Facebook, all these spaces. You can take a screenshot of the chat box or just save the links directly. Thank you so much, Sonu. Have a lovely evening ahead, and I shall take your leave to have some words with the participants.
Thank you, dear Harry. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.